Extending a base class to create more variants of a single component is extremely handy. But in many cases, we probably don't even need to do that. We can use a single style component and make it behave differently in different scenarios. In this case, we can make our button component, a single button component, have three different backgrounds based on the props it receives. Since the button component is inherently a React component, we can give it props like primary equals true or warning equals true and so on, and make it show different backgrounds based on the props it receives. So let us do that. So first, let's copy these styles and paste it here. And let's get rid of these two classes. I'm going to use a single button component. Okay. So if warning prop is true, then how do we access props here? So in style components, because this is a template literal, we can pass an expressions to a template literal by using the dollar and parenthesis expression. So within whatever I write within this is evaluated. So style components does something very nice for us. So if in an interpolation like this, if we put in a function, we can put in values, numbers, whatever, right? But if we put in a function, that function will be called with props. Okay. So now let us log it, console.log props. So if I open DevTools, I should see props printed for all the three buttons. Okay, now we can use props and then decide what color we want to show. So now let us go ahead and add a couple of conditional statements and return the right rules based on the props. So this is a default button, and now this is a primary button, and this is a danger button. So now we have seen how we can make a single component behave differently in different scenarios based on the props it receives. Let's talk more about props in the next video.